guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'll be doing a little cooking video, cooking with Ia. I will be cooking rice and peas with chicken and ackee. Oh, and if we're not here now, it's the pressure. I'll be doing everything from scratch today with Jason, the teacher. So, I already seasoned the chicken, 5 pieces, because I'm in Jason alone, so we don't need more than 5 pieces. And Jason already did the ackee. Peas is there, the oil is here, heating up, and the water is there, heating up as well to put the ackee inside. Add some salt to this to give the ackee some flavor. There's no perfect measurement, just put until you feel like you stop. And whenever I'm cooking chicken, well, frying chicken or whatever I am going to do with the chicken, I normally don't put the season on the chicken like the what do you call them, vegetables like the carrot and stuff. I don't put them. I just use the black pepper, the Maggi.
All purpose?
Yeah, all purpose. Black pepper, sometimes, not today, and whatever, any powder seasoning. And then after I fry the chicken, then I'll cut the vegetables and put them in the pot for them to cook down with the chicken. You get what I just said there?
Yes.
Okay, good. So I'm about to put the chickens inside the oil because it's already hot. And normally when I'm cooking breast, frying breast, I don't allow them to like fry dry because I don't know, but not for me alone, but when you make them fry dry, it's always like trashy when you're cooking. So I just like fry them but not too dry. Like tenderize them, whatever you call them, but I don't fry them too dry. But I normally let the leg and the thigh fry to perfection. It's time to put the ackee inside the pot. So now we just wait on everything to like finish up to start the next process. Oh, and even if the chicken looks dark, like it look burn, it's not burn because it have little browning. So it doesn't have the black color. Inside here I have carrots, Irish, sweet pepper, tomato, onion, pepper, hot pepper, and string beans. I normally eat very healthy. So I already cut the string beans. Normally people use cutting board. Let's be honest, I think it's easier. I think it's very easier. I normally cut these the long way. I think they look more presentable like this. And as I said, not too small. I don't like them too small. It makes sense to cook Irish and have them like mash out in the food. That makes no sense. Because you cook them so you can eat them. And decorate your food with them along with the flavor. Don't use so much pepper because we love pepper. So we're going to put on the chicken to cook now because we finished fry and the seasoning, well, vegetables are ready. The same cooking oil that we use to fry the chicken, you can use the same oil to cook it down, but not too much, just a little, too much grease. So I can just strain it up because normally when you leave stuff in a boiling water, it still cooks. I don't know if people know that, but it still continues to cook. So you can like use cold water to like shock it, or no, you don't shock it, just cool it down. You can like put some cold water to cool it down. People normally do that with pasta alone, but me do that with ackee. Because if you leave it in the hot water, trust me, it's gonna get soggy and nasty. And I don't want that to happen. People normally like put water on this and then put it in the pot for it to cook down and then put the chickens inside of it, but I don't do that. I normally heat up the oil and then put the vegetables like the onion, tomatoes and everything inside of the pot to give the oil the flavor like from the vegetables, and then after that, after like, you know, when you put vegetable in a pot, them kind of swing and the flavor kind of come out of it. After that, now me put some water on it because it already get the flavor already. The vegetable already give the oil the flavor. Then we put the water and then we put the chicken inside. I don't know if that makes sense, but trust me, it always works, because when you put the vegetable inside of it with water, I mean, it's still gonna boil and give it the flavor, but me rather it like fry out a little bit, not even fry, like sweat a little inside of the oil to give it the flavor. That's what I do. I add the water to this. I'm going to put the chickens inside of it first. I normally position my chickens. Don't know if that makes sense, but I position them like anything what I know I'm gonna need more cooking. I mean, I put them somewhere where they can get a lot of space to cook. Like the big ones, I put them at the bottom, and the teeny ones, I put them on the top. So the water can still pass over them, and then I'll stir it or whatever, spin it around. I don't add any water as yet. I am not ready. I want all of this to get the flavor. To get some of the flavor, and then I'll add the water and the ketchup and everything else. And sometimes, like when you're not putting no water, it like spring its own water. Like at times, not a lot though to cook the chicken. So you basically have to add water, but me just not ready. Me not normally add water so quick. Me like when the flavor go in the chicken, marinate. I'm adding the water, not too much, just the right amount to cook the chicken.
The chicken. Remember I said one chicken?
Yeah.
I still want chicken, boy chickens.
The pieces of chicken. Thank you.
Boy, these are pieces of chickens.
No, me not that bad. And then, you know, we ever want some more seasoning, some more powder seasoning like Maggi and stuff. Please, nobody not ask me how much me put. Me just put until my mind says it is okay.
Empty bottle.
No, I don't empty the bottle, but I put until my mind tells me say alright. Normally put this after chicken cook down for a while. Normally put it like as I put it in the water, so everything can be there go and cook down.
That's
and me
ketchup?
yeah, and me not have to fast with it again.
Oh, your style.
I just want to spin it up. And the funny thing, I don't normally taste my food when I'm cooking, because it turned me off.
You
normally ask Jason, and sometimes him no want it, but no, he must go do it.
What?
Yeah. It's beautiful. Very beautiful. And the string beans, like every time I stir, I normally try to put the string beans on the top because I don't like my vegetables soft. I like it crunchy. This automatically are gonna get soft because I put in it early, but nothing wrong. It's alright, come ready. Your favorite job is, right? Beardman, be honest.
Ready, man.
I'm about to season the peas. By the way, whenever I'm cooking, I have to wash as I go along. It drives me crazy. Like, I have to have washing water with bleach so I can wash every single thing that I use. Because when me don't cook, you're not the washing plate business. Not at all. So we're going to test the peas now. Wait, one more. No, why not refresh one? I don't like how it tastes when it... Alright, it is okay.
Yeah, I don't like peas taste either.
Yeah, it tastes bad, man.
Hey, when it's a boil, it tastes.
So let me tell you, everybody have them own secret ingredients when them a cook. Ingredients, by the way, when them a cook them rice and peas. I mean, I have one one.
They can learn, you know.
But no. But mega just do this. Mega just season it like how everybody seasons their rice and peas. So first thing.
And you're a creative touch you want still.
Alright, let me tell you what I do. I don't use the stick butter, number one. I use this.
A chiffon?
Yes.
And they say a tea yellow like chiffon yellow bad.
Bad. So number one, I add some chiffon butter. Not too much, but not too little. Because it give it a nice flavor.
You see how much I get for add.
Alright, make I add piece more. So not too much, not too little. So that's it. Normally, like before I pressure the peas, I add salt because as me I tell you, when you use salt, in the first step of the cooking, it gives the food flavor. Like salt gives flavor. Even if you don't have no seasoning, salt give it flavor. But I gotta add some more salt because I never did add too much. So some more salt.
You never add enough?
Yeah. I didn't add enough salt, then using some more. Next thing, when I use coconut milk nor cream, I use the powder. I don't know why, and not because nothing better than nothing, I just use the powder. Because I don't have a blender at the moment, so I'm using this powder. Grace.
Brand deal.
Use a knife. I mean, just not low leaf. And then you add little water, little, and you mix it until it is evenly distributed. I lie and I word that. Until it dissolves out. Dissolves. Right. So you just mix it. And I really want a paste. You want it to be runny. Not too runny though. You know? Not too runny. I still want it to be rich. As soon as you add in the coconut powder, well, coconut thingy, juice, cream, you ensure you get everything. Don't leave back anything. And then as soon as you do that, you go light back the stove with the coconut so you can boil out because you don't want your belly to hurt you. You see when you cook rice and peas, like when you finish crushing your peas or cooking anything, it's going to have this red look. That's why I'm going to use tin peas because it's going to give it the color that we really want. I mean, I don't like it too red, but enough to white because of rice and peas. But you see the amount of coconut powder that you add to the peas, it's going to change the color. So you must know how much you want to add. Some people like them rice taste like coconut. Nothing is wrong with that. I just add the right amount. Well, what I think is the right amount. So my peas not gonna be, my rice and peas not gonna be too white and it not gonna be too red. People don't not like it too white. But yeah, put that for go and boil. Then I'm gonna add some other stuff. Like my green pepper, my sweet pepper. People don't add that, but me add that. I don't cut it up. I just add like a good size. Some people normally crush theirs, like crush it alone and drop it in the pot so them can find it so it don't last. But what I normally do is I crush it with my hands, and then I still cut them. I cut them in small pieces so they can boil out and I don't have to find them. When that happens, it gives it more flavor. Trust me, a lot more flavor. Because by the time this will boil out, you're not find them here. You're not even gonna know so them did in the food and it still have the flavor. So that is what I do. This is my little style. So scallion, sweet pepper, thyme, and that's about it. Put it in the pot. I normally put a little piece of garlic to like help with the peas. Like you know, normally you cook right, you pressure your peas. This one pea I'm gonna left inside of the pot we don't cook. it's still a good there. I mean it cooked, but it's still a good tough. So you put a little piece of garlic there to help for like soften the peas. Yeah. Yeah, that them for garlic do to the peas, and it help cause yeah, I think it help. I don't know, but we just cook. Normally when the pepper not too hot, I normally like boil the pepper so it can give the food the flavor. The pepper the one I use not hot. Them never rice and peas pepper. Just use it for the flavor. So I'm gonna boil the pepper here. Like pop it, cause it's not hot none at all. Smell that?
You make me so wet.
So now I'm going to cover this so it can boil right out the coconut powder, cause me I tell you the coconut milk cream. If it not boil out, it will hurt. But it hurt my belly if me not allowed to boil out. So after I boil out now, I got add in my rice and stuff, but I'm allowing the season and the coconut cream to cook, boil right out. So let us check out our chicken. The chicken. See, that's a one good. So only 5 pieces, so everything I could get a chance to cook very good. What I normally do is I put the vegetables on top. Everything now go come on top, you know. Some I go get with, but nothing is wrong with that. That is perfectly fine. But I normally put them on the top, so the heat from inside the pot can like steam them, not cook them out too much. And then I allow it to go and cook. And with the breast, I don't know if I did explain why I don't make the breast fry dry, too dry. Because when you fry too dry and then you put it for cook down, I think it's too trashy. I don't know if that happens to everybody or the type of chicken, but me think it too trashy. So I just make it barely fry, like in a raw. It just, what do you call it, tenderize? Tender? Anything where you do to it, when I fry it out, you don't have to help me. You can't know people them who can't cook. But yes, when I make it fry out, if you don't know what I say, I just make it fry a little and then cook it down so it can be tender. Cause yeah, I don't like my breast too trashy. Even though I eat breast, Jason eat breast, I eat thigh and leg. So yeah, that's basically it. So now I have the rice to put inside the peas pot and the ackee to prepare. I'm not going to use all of the ackee because I won't be doing any vegetable, and I really want to cook this ackee because you don't want it to spoil. I did the vegetables for the ackee and I didn't explain something. This pot that I seasoned with the peas, I didn't explain that I measured the amount of water that I want to use because I'm not cooking a lot of rice because it's me and Jason alone. But I don't normally add water. I normally take out because me think whenever you add the water, it make the water get so weak, it make it change color too much. The water not look too red again, and remember you got already add the coconut cream powder, whatever you use, and it will give it a clearer look, and you don't want it to, your rice and peas to be too white. So what I did was to measure the amount of water that I want in the pot, then I season. You don't want to add the coconut powder to the rice and then chew off the to the peas water and then chew off it, because you waste the coconut powder right there. So the water that after you boil the peas or you pressure it, you measure the amount of water that you want, and if it's too much, you take out some before you put in the coconut powder, cream, anything that you use, and then you add that amount of cream you want inside of it, and then you season and measure your rice and put inside of it. So that's what I did. So I know people are watch to learn, so I don't have a lot in there. I just want it to boil somewhat and then steam, because you don't boil rice. If you boil the rice, it's not going to be too soggy, so you just make it boil for your time till the water come out, then you turn it down and let it steam. You can use foil paper, people use candle bag. I normally use foil paper because foil paper trap the heat inside. I normally wash 3 times or 2. So guys, this is the end results. Smells good. And guys, we're about to do a mukbang, well, a story time mukbang. What better way to do a story time? Mukbang style. Yeah, so we're about to do a mukbang story time about something very interesting. You don't want to miss that. But this is the end results. This is how I make my Sunday dinner. My rice and peas. Smells good and it tastes good too. Don't forget to like, comment and share my videos with your friends. And ensure that your bell, the bracket thingy around the bell, is there so you can get all my notifications. Thanks guys.